This video covers multi-F systems in LATS HVAC. When you choose to add a new system, select Multi-F. Adjust the conditions and information of the system as necessary. Under Simulation mode, choose between the cooling or heating mode, or both, depending on which capacity values you want in the report view. You may change the indoor cooling and heating temperatures, but the RH percentages must be set to 50. For a multi-F system, the outdoor unit must be selected before specifying the indoor unit. You can look at full models to view all lists, or select Search Models to search models by category. You can use the combination table to see automatically calculated combination ratios that work. You can also add accessories to the system. Double-click the standby box to insert a branch or a BDU. If you select Branch, then you can insert a BDU into the standby box. If you select BDU, then you can add an indoor unit to the system. You may add accessories to the system. Now finish with a system check. Follow the system check with a validation property check. Under this Multi-tab, you can also switch the view of the program diagram from tree to schematic. You can also choose to hide or view the room icons in your system diagram. This concludes the LATS HVAC Multi-F Systems video.